Session 48, Term 1 Review and Cumulative Assessment. This lesson connects number, algebra, geometry, measure, and statistics. Strong review is not just remembering formulas. It is recognizing the structure of a question and selecting a valid method. By the end, you'll solve mixed examples, complete a data analysis, and test your understanding with 3 cumulative questions. For every problem, read what is given, identify what is required, choose a method, and communicate the result clearly. Estimate or check whenever possible, and attach the correct units to measured quantities. Term 1 skills work together in practical decisions and later mathematics. Number operations support accurate calculations with fractions, decimals, and signed values. Algebra represents unknown quantities and relationships efficiently. Geometry, measure, and statistics describe space and evidence. First, translate words and symbols carefully, including operation signs, brackets, and inequality directions. Then choose an inverse operation, formula, diagram, or data summary that matches the question. Finally, check magnitude, substitution, units, and whether the answer is reasonable in context. Calculate 3/4 plus 1/8. Write 3/4 as 6/8, then add 1/8. The result is 7/8. Solve 3x plus 5 equals 20. Subtract 5 to get 3x equals 15, then divide by 3. The solution is x equals 5, and substitution returns 20. Find the area of a triangle with base 12 centimeters and perpendicular height 7 centimeters. Use 1/2 times base times height, 1/2 times 12 times 7. The area is 42 square centimeters. Complete review example. Analyze the data set 4, 6, 6, 8, and 11. The total is 35, so the mean is 7. The median is 6 and the mode is 6 because the list is ordered and 6 repeats. The range is 11 minus 4, or 7, so all 4 statistics are internally consistent. Don't ignore the order of operations when multiplication and addition appear together. Don't move algebraic terms without applying the same inverse operation to both sides. And don't lose units. Lengths are linear, areas are square, and volumes are cubic. Assessment question 1. Evaluate -4 plus 3 times 6. Option A is -6. Option B is 2. Option C is 14. Option D is 30. Pause. Apply multiplication before addition. The correct answer is option C, 14. 3 times 6 is 18, and -4 plus 18 is 14. Assessment question 2. Solve 5x minus 7 equals 18. Option A is 5. Option B is 11/5. Option C is 25. Option D is 1. Pause, add 7 to both sides, then divide by 5. The correct answer is option A, 5. 5 times 5 minus 7 equals 18, so the solution checks. Assessment question 3. Find the mean of 5, 7, 8, and 12. Option A is 6. Option B is 7. Option C is 10. Option D is 8. Pause, add the 4 values, and divide by 4. The correct answer is option D, 8. The total is 32, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. Read precisely and identify the mathematical structure before calculating. Use equivalent forms, inverse operations, formulas, and data rules deliberately. Check by estimation, substitution, totals, and appropriate units. Your Term 1 toolkit is connected. Practice mixed questions so choosing the method becomes automatic.